My name is Dinesh Borana. I am from commerce background. I just want to prepare for NID, and I was in a gap of designing practice. I want to join a coaching institute. I just thought of many coaching institute, done a lot of research, and finally came up with BRDS. And when I came up to the BRDS, I did the research. I found the confidence level from there. I got a belief from them. Okay, when I thought of designing, the first thing came of NID. And for NID, I thought of joining an institute, for coaching institute. Without it, I didn't think it is possible for me to crack through NID. And when I joined BRDS, I got to know many things which I think before giving paper I wouldn't have come to know. When I joined BRDS for the entrance of NID, it helped me a lot to crack the entrance exam. Basically, it helped me to develop my concept for designing, the technical part of it, the theory, and all the parts relating to designing. After joining BRDS, it helped me a lot for the entrance exam. For the written paper, it helped me to develop my concept level, technical part, and I basically applied for graphic designing and portfolio. For the graphic thing, mainly it helped me for the poster and storyboard. It helped me like wherever I see thing outside, I just see at a designer point of view, and it brings confidence in me. It boosts me for the designing, and I should thank PRDS a lot for this, and I'm very thankful really.